Let's add some even larger numbers together. Now, we're going to forego using a number line here only because we could use it, but this would be a little bit more complicated to write out. It would involve a lot more little hash marks, a lot longer of a number line. So instead of taking the opportunity to work on that, I suggest that we instead focus on 42 and 31 as two separate numbers for a second. I want you to listen to the word 42, right? That is literally 40 and 2, right? So you can think about 42, and you should think about 42 as 40 and 2. Okay, that's where the name comes from. Okay, and if I'm adding 31, I'm adding 30, and I'm adding 1. Okay, now this is not that important right now. This is a concept that's important later. Okay, whenever these problems get much more difficult, it's going to be very convenient to think about numbers and quantities in this way. Okay, and so let's go ahead and add these together. 40 plus 30 is 70, right? Because 4 plus 3 is 7, and we're just dealing with groups of 10, right? So 4 tens is 40. 3 groups of 10 is 30. So if I group all those together, I have 70. All right, that might be kind of hard to visualize, but we're working with groups of 10. And 2 plus 1, we're working with single objects, right? So 2 objects plus 1 object is 3. Okay, so now my result is 70 and 3, which we can just put together and get 73. So we know that the result of 42 plus 31 is 73. Okay, let's do the same thing with 16 and 73. Okay, 16 is 10 and 6. 73 is 70 and 3. So we'll add those together. 10 plus 70 is 80. And 6 plus 3 is 9. So 80 and 9 is 89.